This rustic, cottage-style single-family home in Somerset, Pennsylvania, is listed for $85,000 and offers a rare blend of character, flexibility, and modern updates. Built in 1930, the property has been thoughtfully renovated to maintain its charm while adding features that make it functional for a wide range of uses. With 910 square feet of open-concept living space on a one-acre lot, it presents countless opportunities for homeowners and entrepreneurs alike. Over the years, this unique property has served many purposes. It was once a Grange Hall, later became a hunting camp, and most recently operated as a full-service salon. Its history showcases its versatility, and because there are no zoning restrictions, the possibilities are nearly endless. Whether you want to transform it into a cozy home, a boutique office, a vacation rental, or an artisan studio, the layout and location make it a perfect fit for multiple visions. Inside, the home is filled with updates. New flooring, windows, siding, and a durable metal roof give it a fresh and modern look, while the rustic wood exterior keeps its original charm intact. The open design provides flexibility, making it easy to customize the space to suit your lifestyle or business needs. A walkout basement adds even more usability and storage options. Water hookups have been thoughtfully installed in built-out rooms, and the property includes a well, filtration system, holding tank, and brand new septic system. A refrigerator and microwave are included, making the kitchen area ready for immediate use. There's also a fireplace that adds warmth and character to the interior. The exterior is equally inviting. A newly built retaining wall provides stability, while private off-street parking for up to 6 vehicles offers convenience for residents, guests, or clients. The covered front porch enhances the cottage feel and creates a relaxing spot to enjoy the surrounding scenery. Located between Somerset and Berlin, this property offers a central location with easy access to local amenities while still maintaining a sense of privacy. With an annual property tax of only $251 and no HOA fees, it's an affordable option with low ongoing costs.